from Infinity Agency. Okay ba kayo dyan? Um, Before I start singing po, I have something to tell you. We have some exciting news for you. So Popo is giving away po VIPs for free. So that's 1 month normal VIP, super VIP, and 1 diamond VIP. And again, all for free po. Nakikinig ba lahat? So all you have to do is super easy. So first, log into your YouTube account, then visit and subscribe to the Popo Live official channel. So after that, you have to register your details and don't forget to share this event with your friends and community so we can unlock the rewards together. Anyways, pag na-post naman po to sa YouTube, nandun lahat ng details. So hindi siya mahirap sundin, hindi siya mahirap gawin. So now, how do we unlock the prizes? So for the normal VIP, it will be unlocked when the channel hits 60,000 subscribers before the 20th of June, which is tomorrow. Pero kaya ba yan? Habol ba? The Super VIP will be unlocked at 80K subscribers before the 25th of June. And the Diamond VIP will be unlocked when we reach 100,000 subscribers before the 30th of June. So mahaba-haba pa yung oras. So makakasali pa lahat. Now, once a reward is unlocked, Popo will draw winners from the participants and their names will be announced on Popo's official Facebook page. And the rewards will also be given on the same day. Madali lang, di ba? So, come on guys, let's make it happen. Subscribe now, share the love, and let's get those subs rolling. Good luck, everyone. So, tuloy na natin yung live. Let's go. Pwede na po ba yun?